Welcome to the new Custom Vantage training video about our new thumbnail image generation. I've created a new product. As you can see, I have not yet assigned any image to it. So I'm going to go into the admin and I'm going to find the product, in this case a 4911, and I'm going to edit that product. The first image I'm going to add is going to be the standard image. I'm going to add a small image and a medium image. So I'm going to click on the Find button, and I'm going to notice that I'm in the images/products folder. Click the upload button, and now as you can see, I have several images. I have 6 images, and the one that I'm going to use is the first one. I'm going to drag here. It's done, and I click upload. Shows me the picture. I click select this. Now I'm going to use the same picture for the small and medium. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it in, hit save changes. Now I'm going to go back out to the store, and I'm going to right click and choose new tab so we can keep going back and forth. And now when I browse in the store to the folder, we see that the item does have a picture. And when I click on it, I see the detail page. Now what this new feature is going to allow me to do is to add, instead of having the See Additional Images tab, I'm going to add thumbnails of images on the left-hand side, which will then, when moused over, show me a big version of that image here. It's a neat little feature and it's easy to use. So the criteria is going to be that I upload the new images to the same folder, images/products. And I do have a couple of other criteria. One, the images must be PNG based files. And two, they start with the product SKU, so it's important that you use an actual SKU and not a sentence for a SKU, SKU being the part number, followed by a hyphen, and then the numbers 1 through 5. So in this case, it'll be 4911-1.png-2png, etc. So I'm going to take the images that I already have, various colors, red and white, etc. I'm going to rename them to match my criteria. So in this case, 4911-1 for the first one. Then for the next, we're going to go same deal, 4911, then a hyphen, and then a 2, and so on. Let me pause the video momentarily so that you can just see the final result. Okay, now you can see that they're all named appropriately. The problem is they are JPEG files and I need PNGs. Now this last one I didn't rename because it's the main image, and that's the same as always. You just upload the image for the small and medium. So I have a tool here called Fast Stone Photo Resizer, and what it will allow me to do is to take a bunch of images and automatically convert them to some other format. So I'm going to use these 5 images and I'm going to add them to my list. You see that I'm going to save them as a PNG file type. And now I'm going to save them into the same folder. Click Convert, and like magic, it's done. I can now close Fast Stone Photo Resizer. You can now see the PNG versions of all of these files. Now, in order to get them up on the site, I'm going to use the same tool. I'm going to hit the select button. I'm going to leave that image there. That's the original. We can copy it in case we need it, but we don't really need it. I'm going to use select, upload, and now I'm going to drag all 5 of those PNG files at once, and it will upload them. And upload. Perfect. They're there. I don't have to actually select them, so I can hit cancel here. Leave that one alone, just like we said. Now when I refresh, like magic, we have the little thumbnails, and as we mouse over, it changes the image to whatever that other image is. So it's important that you make all of your images the same size. Make sure that they are named appropriately, the SKU, hyphen, numbers 1 through 5. You can have a total of 6 images, including the actual normal regular image. If you only have one image with the product, the standard image, the little items on the left just don't show, and everything is as it always was. I hope you find that useful, and I hope you find it simple to do. Thank you again for choosing Custom Vantage Web.